Hello students, welcome to my channel Arun's Physics Portal. In this lecture, I will be talking about one of the important applications of operational amplifier, that is adder or summer. This topic is useful for BSc, MSc, BE and BTech students. Moreover, it is also useful for GRF and NET aspirants. The complete note of this topic is provided in this lecture for your convenience. I hope you enjoy going through it. तो आइए हम अपने टॉपिक की शुरुआत करते हैं. एडर या समर जो है वो ऐड करता है ए नंबर ऑफ वोल्टेजेस अप्लाइड टू द इनपुट ऑफ एन ऑपरेशनल एम्पलीफायर. आइए इसकी हम सर्किट को देखते हैं. सो दिस इज योर सर्किट डायग्राम. दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ ऑपरेशनल एम्पलीफायर. This is minus, this is plus, and this is where we take the output here. This is V naught dash. The positive input is grounded, and we have a feedback between the output and the negative input. So this is RF. We have here a number of resistors connected here. Like this. The potential here is V1, here it is V2, and here it is Vn. This resistor is R1, this resistor is R2, and this resistor is Rn. The current through R1 is I1, that through R2 is I2, and that through Rn is In. The current through the resistor Rf is I. As you see from the figure, the non-inverting input is grounded, so its potential is 0, and hence the input of the inverting terminal is also at virtual ground. So potential here is also equal to 0. The current I1 is now given as V1 minus 0 upon R1. Similarly, current I2 is V2 minus 0 upon R2, and the current In is Vn minus 0 upon Rn. So this is equal to I1 equal to V1 upon R1, I2 is V2 upon R2, and In is Vn upon Rn. Recall Kirchhoff's current law, that the sum of the currents meeting at a point is equal to the current moving away from that point. So if I take my junction as the inverting input of the operational amplifier, we have I equal to I1 plus I2 plus so on and so forth up to In. So we have the current I will be equal to 0 minus V naught dash upon Rf. This is equal to V1 minus 0 upon R1 is V2 minus 0 upon R2 plus Vn minus 0 upon Rn, or V0 dash is equal to negative of Rf upon R1 into V1 plus Rf upon R2 into V2 plus Rn Rf upon Rn into Vn. If I assume that R1, R2, R3, Rn are all equal and equal to R, then the above equation 1 gives you V0 dash is minus Rf upon R into V1 plus V2 plus Vn. This is our equation 2. So you see from here that the output of the operational amplifier is equal to the negative of these sum of the potentials multiplied by a factor Rf upon R with a negative sign. If I take Rf and R equal, then we have V naught dash is minus V1 plus V2 plus Vn. This is our equation 3. So you see that the output of the operational amplifier is equal to the negative of the sum of the input voltages applied. But we want that the output should be equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 and so on. So if we invert the output of the operational amplifier, then our purpose is served. To achieve this end, we use another figure here shown in figure 2. So we have here V naught dash. I use this here. This is your operational amplifier. This is V naught. Positive end is grounded. This resistance is R, and we have a feedback resistance Rf here, which is also equal to R. So that the gain V0 dash will be equal to minus Rf upon R into V naught dash. This is minus V naught dash, and so this is equal to V1 plus V2 plus and this is equal to Vn. So our purpose is achieved. So the output voltage of this figure is equal to the sum of the input voltages applied. I hope the point is clear. I assume that you like this lecture. यदि आपको यह लेक्चर अच्छा लगा हो तो इसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. Thank you for watching. See you next time with another lecture on some interesting topic. Till then, goodbye.